In this video, I will show you how to pay Apollo Group TV with credit or debit card. So if you have your balance on your credit or debit card, I will explain you how you can buy the subscription. So first of all, you need to go to your Apollo Group TV account and then go to the subscriptions page, choose your plan you want to buy, for example, the minimum, starter. Then you need to select the payment method. You can't directly enter your credit or debit card numbers and buy the subscription. You need to use the cryptocurrency to buy this service. But I will show you in this example, very simple example, how you can use your credit or debit card with the lowest commissions and buy the Apollo Group TV subscription. In this case, I will choose the BTC. And I need to find any crypto exchange where I can buy the Bitcoin with my credit or debit card. The most popular one is Binance, so you need to create an account on Binance. It's super simple, and when you sign up on Binance, after that you need to deposit money on Binance. So in this case, we are choosing BTC, and as you can see right here, we have got BTC in the cryptocurrency. Then we need to click on next step. So we need to tick this button right here and we need to copy their wallet address. So as you can see, we need to send this amount of BTC, which equals to $25. So let's go to the Binance, let's create an account, and first of all, let's deposit money and buy Bitcoin. So we need to click on buy crypto in the top menu when we sign up. Then we need to enter the amount of USD we are depositing. So in this case, we need to send $25. So I will add a little bit more, for example, $30 in Binance, and I will receive Bitcoin, guys, this amount of Bitcoin. As you can see, this amount is more than this one, guys, so it's enough to buy Apollo Group TV subscription. Then you need to choose the payment method. As you can see, I have got my card linked to my Binance account, so you can use your credit or debit card and click on buy BTC. After that, you will have Bitcoin on your Binance, and then you can go to your spot account. Just click on this wallet icon at the top right, go to the spot account and find Bitcoin. Then you need to click this three dots on the right side of the Bitcoin and select withdraw. Then you need to go back to Apollo Group TV and you need to copy the wallet address. This is the wallet address of Bitcoin where we need to send the subscription money. So let's paste the wallet address right here and let's enter the Bitcoin amount. So let's paste this amount. So as you can see, guys, I entered this amount of Bitcoin, but they will receive a little bit less. So I need to add a little bit more Bitcoins like this, and they will receive exactly this amount, guys, which is the cost of their subscription. And then we need to click the withdraw button, and in a few minutes you will receive your money on Apollo Group TV and you will buy the subscription. So that's how you can use your credit or debit card to buy Apollo Group TV subscription. There are some fees, some extra commissions, but I think that this method is good. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.